Do you all hear that? That's a songbird. I will say this, I think it is spring. It's January 29th. Last week I actually heard a robin, and that's a sure sign of spring. Anyways, I'm just up here today just looking around. I actually found a buck rub. Oh, it's surprising. Over there's a stand. Yeah, I've walked over through here several times. Never noticed this. My dad actually spotted it and he was over there. So is this a new buck rub? I don't really know. It looks a little bit old, but you know, we should have seen this. So what I'm doing here, I moved my other trail camera over here. And maybe, just maybe, we might happen to catch a buck up here. You never know. Have my other camera up, I haven't seen nothing on it, so maybe a buck is using this trail. Well, Songbirds still going at it. Blue skies, but we're supposed to have 4 inches of snow by morning. Anyways, catch y'all later and bye.